Guys, there's a big thunderstorm warning for Sterling County, though. Just gotta wait for this lightning to come. Well, we're having a hail fight. Whoa, this hail came out of nowhere in Arkansas. It came out of...
Scary cat, scary cat.
Oh, that was lightning right there. I don't know if I caught that. Whoa. What does it actually feel like being hit by hail?
No.
What does it actually feel like? Suspect.
I never actually tasted one of these.
These are suck ice cream.
Bro, you so actually taste it. You tasted the.
I'm chasing this guy. He said, wait for a lightning strike. Everyone, come on and watch the lightning strike go. Come on. God, give us some lightning, please. Well, I'm waiting for lightning. What's wrong with you? Oh, this lightning strike, it's actually kind of calm, not gonna lie. Guys, this lightning strike is kind of calm.
Yeah.
Nothing's actually kind of happening.
You know no one's around. No one's outside. Probably you should go inside.
No. But we're the protectors to protect you. But we're supposed to protect you, so we're...
Can you protect from me a tornado?
What? Yeah. Oh, I don't know.
No, my grave!
Oh, the hell step on it, so... Hell step.
Yes.
Well, I mean, it's songs.
Wait, didn't you put snake over there?
Come on. There's some hell. This is kind of
What if I
nice.
smack this?
Do it. Guys, feel bad for this. Feel bad for the ant pile. Well, the ants. Oh, there's your nearby flood.
Hey, big splash.
No.
No. I could do better than that, bro.
Oh, yeah. I just saw lightning there.
There's lightning over there.
Guys, the storm is heading over there.
Ooh.
Guys, it just got so cold now. It was like hot in a second.
I need to go pee again, but I can wait.
I was kind of see on this last
Bruh, I pee, like, one day, like, every time I pee a lot. Like 100 times. Bro, they're outside walking in the storm.
Yeah. I'm gonna put my camera like
Oh,
this. Look at this beautiful view.
and look at here. And look at here.
Guys, the lights are turning on that.
This is mine.
Oh, I just saw lightning, guys. I just saw lightning.
My Amazing Theater Circus where I got a pose.
Guys, wait. Let's put a camera. Watch for lightning here.
Look.
What y'all doing? That was the lightning.
water?
Yeah.
That's fun.
When we were so little, we went to the water and there's a snake there. That's called, I think.
Whoa, if this didn't even happen, we were gonna use our police car.
Where's the Play-Doh? Guys, should we go home?
I don't know.
Hold up.
Guys, should we go home? It's getting stormy.
Yeah, the clouds are getting darker now.
The clouds are getting darker, guys.
Yeah.
Should we head back?
Hey, son, do you want me to throw the shovel?
I don't mind if you throw your phone.
Hell no.
Hey, I throw the shovel.
I thought you thought your phone or something.